Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RR7635WH. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta RR7635WH only works for a few minutes, you are likely facing battery issues. This can happen over time as batteries degrade and lose their ability to hold a charge. If left untreated, your device may eventually become unusable, leaving you without a reliable cleaning solution. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery compatible with the Rowenta RR7635WH, and a pair of tweezers. Begin by ensuring your device is turned off and unplugged. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing of the vacuum cleaner, starting at the seam. Be cautious to avoid damaging the plastic clips that hold the casing together. Once you have loosened the casing, carefully lift it away to expose the internal components. The faulty component is typically the battery, which is located near the bottom of the device. You can identify it by its rectangular shape and the wires connected to it. To extract the battery, disconnect the wires by gently pulling the connectors apart using the tweezers. Make sure to note where each wire connects, as you'll need to replicate this during the installation of the new battery. After disconnecting the wires, remove any screws holding the battery in place using your Phillips screwdriver. Apply moderate force, ensuring you don't strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift out the old battery. Now, take your replacement battery and place it in the same position as the old one, securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are connected to the correct terminals as per your earlier observation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured and connected, carefully reattach the casing, ensuring all clips click back into place. Finally, turn on your Rowenta RR7635WH to verify it works properly. If it runs smoothly, congratulations on the successful repair. To prevent battery issues in the future, ensure you regularly clean your device and store it in a cool, dry place. Avoid leaving it on charge for extended periods, as this can also shorten battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.